Welcome to our tutorial on how to install and set up Bitdefender Mobile Security on your Android device, the go-to solution for mobile protection. Head to the Google Play Store app on your Android smartphone or tablet. Search for Bitdefender Mobile Security. Tap Install. The app will start downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Bitdefender app. Check the small box and tap Continue after you read and agree with the subscription agreement. Next, sign in using your Bitdefender Central account credentials, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant necessary permissions and configure security features. Tap Get Started. To secure your browsers, you will need to turn on the Web Protection feature. Tap Activate. In the accessibility screen, tap the Bitdefender Mobile Security app. Then, toggle Use Bitdefender Mobile Security to the On position. Allow. Now, it's time to scan your Android device for malware. Tap Scan Now. Extra permissions are required on Android 6 and later. Tap Allow. Allow access to manage all files. Exit this screen by tapping the small arrow in the top left corner. Bitdefender will begin scanning your apps. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Bitdefender Mobile Security on your Android device. Let us take you on a tour of the user interface. The dashboard is where you can find notifications about required actions. Your Android device's security status is displayed at the top. To see Bitdefender's cyber threat detection alerts on top of other apps, and never miss a security warning, follow these steps. Tap Activate. Turn on. Select Bitdefender Security, and then toggle Allow Display over other apps to the On position. Scam Alert detects dangerous links in SMS and chat messages. To use this security feature, you'll need Android 6 or a newer version. Tap on Activate. Turn it on. Tap Allow. Choose Bitdefender Security. Then turn on Allow Notification Access. Tap Allow twice. Finally, turn on Chat Protection to finish setting up Scam Alert. App Anomaly Detection shields Android 6 and newer devices from rogue apps attempting to seize control of login credentials and steal your identity and finances. To turn on Bitdefender Mobile Security's industry-first app anomaly detection technology and reveal malware that might be hiding on your Android phone, tap the Activate button. Let's activate the anti-theft feature, which will be incredibly useful if your phone ever goes missing. Choose Turn On. On Android 11 and later, allowing Bitdefender to access your device's location requires a few extra steps. Select while using the app. Then tap the Turn On button again. Tap Allow. And this time, you'll see the option to allow all the time. Choose Allow all the time. Go back and tap the Turn On button once more. Activate this device admin app. This enables you to remotely track, lock your smartphone from your Bitdefender Central account, and more. Next, set up a PIN or use biometric authentication to prevent unauthorized changes to both Bitdefender settings and your Android apps. You'll receive a prompt to activate Snap Photo. Once turned on, this feature will allow your phone's front camera to discreetly capture a photo if someone attempts to access your device and apps without the newly set PIN. The photo captures the intruder's identity, along with the time and date of the unsuccessful access. You can view these images in your Bitdefender Central account. Let's go back to the dashboard and activate App Lock. This feature allows you to lock apps with a PIN code. Choose Turn On. Select Bitdefender Security. Toggle Permit Usage Access to the On position. And then tap the Turn On button once more. Tick each app you want to block, then choose your preferred unlocking behavior. To browse all Bitdefender mobile security features, simply tap the icons at the bottom of the screen. Malware Scanner. Web Protection. Scam Alert. And more. Thanks for watching.